Hey Nash, what should we make?
You love French onion soup, and it is casserole season, so let's make a French onion soup chicken casserole. I know I can't eat it, but I'm sure you'll make me something just as delicious that I can eat.
All right, let's make a French onion chicken casserole. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we make a lot of easy, mostly cheap casseroles. And we also love to make fusions. So today, we're gonna make a French onion chicken casserole. It's gonna be kind of like a French onion soup and like a chicken casserole had a baby. It's gonna be delicious, it's gonna be quick, easy, and pretty cheap. Hey, without further ado, let's go. And we start by slicing an onion. And we want to go sort of thin slices here, not dice. We just want to cut them into these half moon kind of deals. Then in a hot pan on medium heat, we throw in a few tablespoons of butter, let that melt. And we throw in all of our onions. And we're trying to make a French onion soup version of a chicken casserole. So we want to get these nice and caramelized, which means we got to go low and slow. So you could try to do this on a higher temperature and make it cut time. However, I've looked into a lot of cheat codes for caramelizing onions in general, and none of them seem to work. So we're just gonna have to lower the heat and let these guys cook. We can season them with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. That'll help a little bit, but you know, like I said, we just gotta let them cook. When your onions have softened and started to caramelize, make a little landing spot. Throw in a few cloves of minced garlic. Let that cook until fragrant, about 45 seconds. Then we just stir that in. Once your onions have cooked down considerably and are a little bit, well, more than a little bit caramelized, then we just go ahead and try to spread these guys out a little bit. Then we sprinkle these guys with 1/4 cup of flour. We're making a very unconventional roux. And a cup and a half of chicken broth. Let me just stir this in, get that cooked down. Now once your mixture has thickened considerably, you have a very sludgy onion mixture, very sludgy French onion sort of mixture or whatever. Then we add in 1.5 cups frozen peas. Let's stir that in. Once your frozen peas have thawed and everything is good, you got a nice little delicious sludge going on here. Then we go ahead and kill the heat and set this one aside. So then we take out a big old bowl and we dump in about 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken. Perfect application for like a rotisserie chicken you bought at the store. Or you could just cook your own chicken however you want. You could slow cook it, grill it, whatever, and then either chop it or shred it, depending on how you cook it. And then we want to throw in 8 ounces of sour cream, a couple tablespoons of some chopped fresh parsley, and some shredded Gruyere. You gotta get that French onion soup flavor in there, you know? And then we just mix this up. And then we add in our onion sludge. Yeah, I let it cool, so it just sort of turned into a gelatinous mess, but that's okay. It's still gonna taste good. And then we stir all that in. And then we take out a greased casserole dish and we dump our mixture into that. Then we just kind of even this out a bit. And then we just sprinkle it with some extra grated Gruyere. And then we throw this into our 350 oven for about 30 minutes till the cheese is melted and a little bubbly. And here's our guy right out of the oven. And I should have done this before I baked it, but I forgot. But putting it on right now shouldn't be bad. We're gonna do some of these crispy fried onions on top. And then we're gonna let this cool. And here's our guy, cooled off a little bit. So we'll go ahead and just take a piece here. Get these guys that we missed. Let's put all that back on top. Looks good, I like it. And there we have our French onion chicken casserole. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It packs all that flavor of the French onion soup, plus a creaminess. I love the crunch from those fried onions. And you get the peas in there because vegetables, I don't know, but hey, why not? They work. It all works. It was pretty easy to make. And hey, if you're a French onion soup lover, when you're looking for an easy casserole to make, go try this one because it's awesome. Out of 10? That's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good. Been trying to rally the neighborhood dogs in an alliance against the evil birds and demon squirrels, but I don't think they realize the legitimate size of this threat enough to take it seriously.
Well, check it out. We made this French onion chicken casserole that you wanted. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you, so here you go. What do you think?
Oh yeah, that is good. It's rich and creamy and cheesy and gives some serious comfort food vibes.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
You can't stay in your corner of the forest waiting for others to come to you. You have to go to them sometimes.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, another great casserole, pretty cheap and easy. Would make a great weeknight meal for the family. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you got a second, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, hype, all that good stuff. Hit the bell for notifications. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. If you like this video, go check out our other easy casserole type videos. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.